It's a two-in-one tutorial, budget-friendly, and perfect for young girls and ladies. Grab your popcorn, sit back, relax, and get ready to watch and learn.
It's good to have you in my chair again. Are you excited to be here?
Yeah.
And are you looking forward to being here? Okay, let's see what we can make out of this today. I'm so happy to have you again. Hello, beautiful people. Stay tuned for what we are about to cook with this gorgeous hair. See how long our hair is. So I'm just going to take down the threads and we'll get to the style.
So I'm gonna be taking my two beautiful clients all the way to Madagascar this Christmas with this hairstyle. Trust me when I said it is budget friendly. We are not going to be using any form of extensions, just their hair only. Hair has been previously treated. I am just detangling and blow drying for easy parting and styling. I'll do less of talking and just allow you to watch and learn. I'll be sure to pop in once in a while if need be.
We are on the second trip to Madagascar with my beautiful princess Tara. So stay tuned.
Auntie, I want mine to have double puffs. Say no more. She requested for half up, half down. But when I did, I saw it wasn't giving. And so I said to her, can we change the style just a little bit? And she agreed. And that is how we got here. Which do you prefer, the previous or this one? Let me know in the comment box below. Let's just say on this trip to Madagascar, someone prefers to stay in a bungalow and the other prefers to stay in a duplex. Which of these styles do you prefer? The bungalow is the one with the single puff and the duplex is the one with double puffs. Let me know in the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching. Was this helpful? Kindly hit the like button and leave a comment. Let's know if you're gonna be trying this style this season. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. It will mean a lot to us. Merry Christmas again and have a very prosperous new year. Until we see you again on our next.